Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So, I have given the interview recently in Suman TV. I don't know how many people have watched that video. And if not, go to Suman TV and watch once. Okay. Or you can also watch in my YouTube channel. So, you can go to my YouTube as well. Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel is there. You can, watch interview. So, how people are getting cheated, or how come people are getting very, very less salaries even though they have very good graduation? Graduation could be anything, could be BCom, BSc, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, B Tech, civil background, mechanical background. How people are not earning proper incomes? That is what is the big issue. When I ask this question, when I see the people, only thing is that I could see people do not have proper skills. That is where they are stuck. First thing, you do not have the proper skill. That is where people are stuck. Second one, you don't have proper mentors. You don't have proper gurus. That is where maximum people are getting stuck in their positions. Okay, it is not your qualification, 100% I'm telling you. It is not your qualification which is holding you, or it is not your village background which is holding you. It is completely you don't have the proper skill. That is where you are not able to get very, very good income. Now tell me, one BCom guy is getting 1 lakh per month, same BCom, one more BCom guy is getting 20,000 rupees per month. Now tell me what is the difference? Do you think that BCom guy is a gold medalist? It is completely not. But fortunately, that other guy who's earning 1 lakh per month, he got the proper skills, he got the proper mentoring. That is how he is able to get into very good IT companies. In India, the IT is booming, right? We have a lot of industry. We have teaching industry, education industry, we have banking industry, pharmacy industry, insurance industry. You compare any industry salaries plus IT salaries. So definitely you will be able to get much more salaries. My own friend, I started my career in year 2000. Okay, after my BSc IT, and I have started my career in year 2000. My friend is also started his career in the pharma. His salary is currently 36 lakhs. Almost 22 years has got completed. Now he's earning only 36 lakhs. But my salary is more than 1 crore long back. So how come IT people are getting more salaries in Hyderabad itself? How come other people are not able to crack the interview? It is not you're intelligent, or you have coming from the very good background of college, or you're from IIT or triple IT. Doesn't matter. Starting point is doesn't matter. After you relieved from your college, did you get the proper skills? Do you have the proper mentors who can support you so that you can be easily placed into the good companies? Unfortunately, many people are not there. Many gurus are not there. That is where many guys are not able to get proper mentoring. Somehow they got some job, and they were earning some 20,000 rupees, or 30,000, 40,000 rupees. And after the COVID, many people also lost their opportunities, closed their business, and many families are completely have a lot of issues during the COVID. Clear? But during that time, IT industry was completely, giving a lot of opportunities for the people. Many people went into IT industry from very, very basic qualification, basic English, if you know, basic qualification, if you have a BA, BCom, any year passed out, those people can get into IT companies very, very easily. Clear? So these are the opportunities you have in IT industry. But here I am there to give you complete skill. That is one thing, and I will be able to give you complete mentoring till you get the placement. Clear? Many people will say course is over and I cannot do anything for you. So we are not like that. We are completely giving each and everything whatever the student needs. Each and everything we are going to be covering. That is the reason why many non-IT people are able to crack the interview. Many people, they're able to crack the interview coming from very, very small villages. Many people cannot even speak good English. One guy from Kotak Mahindra, he got a job. He was working for Kotak Mahindra, and after that he got a job in Infosys. Then I got I have recorded his success stories, and one guy commented saying that this guy is not able to get speak proper English. How come this guy is able to crack the interview? Might be Bhaskar sir would have done some proxy for him. That is the comment I got it, because genuinely I'm telling, I did not know that even he got a job. After some time only I came to know that he got a job, and I have took his interview, and currently is working for Infosys. I asked him, so why is that? That guy is from MCA background, but 2012 passed out, completely 10 years into the banking industry. How come you're from MCA background, not able to get into means? He told me, sir, nobody told me that I can easily go into this, and nobody taught me proper skills. That is where I'm lagging. I was lagging. Now I got the knowledge. My problem is English, but somehow I'm able to crack the interview. I have recorded that video. It is there in my channel as well. Mr. Anji. So many people whose English is also not so good, but they're able to crack the interview. End of the day, you need not talk, right? You need to just go there and code. But if you have a skill, communication is not very important for you. Clear? So, but if you don't have the proper skill, many people come to you. They will say that Power BI or data analytics course, learn from these Udemy videos. You pay only this much, and 20 days of Power BI, 10 days of this one SQL, and you get a job. 100% you will not be able to get job. Even though you get a job using a proxy, you will be able to easily get caught in the IT companies, because they'll tell you what was that you were doing in the previous role. Tell me about your project. Tell me your challenges which you faced in the previous company. Tell me how you loading the data. They'll tell me what kind of reports you made and how did you deploy the reports. All these are technical questions where these people will get stuck. Clear? So that is what is the point. And you have to learn from very, very basic level to advanced level, guys. So that is what we are going to be covering. Yeah, am I clear? So, Taj Muhammad, your video. So, so what is this video? Come on, Hussein Sheikh, you're saying? Yeah. So I have given you the form, guys, before starting class. Please fill this form, because when you fill the form, you will be able to get the discount fees. But if you ask me what is the fees today, I will not be able to tell you. Fees details will be told after third demo. Clear? So I have given you in the chart window. Please fill this form. So in this, there are three pieces of information: your email address, full name with the surname, mobile number, and click on subscribe. So this is important so that people can get discounted prices, and the price will be told you on the third day demo. So tomorrow Sunday no class. Monday, Tuesday we'll have demo number 2 and demo number 3 with the same meeting ID. No change in the meeting ID. Same time, Monday and Tuesday we will be having demo number 2 and demo number 3. And let me tell you what is that you have to learn in this, and what is the data analytics, and why is that many non-IT people are coming here, because less salaries in the other fields. And even though they have lot of knowledge, but even though you have a good knowledge, you're working for non-IT, definitely you will not be able to get very good salaries. Clear? And so Yashodhan, but I want to switch data analytics simultaneously in lockdown. I'm doing my BTech in IT from regular university. It will be the complete in June 23. So can I do this course and join the data analytics? Yeah, definitely you will be able to do that, because a lot of companies are also giving lot of opportunities. Even though parallel you can do your graduation, and at the same time you can apply for these positions. Don't worry about it. Clear? And so I'm from Beed, Maharashtra. I completed diploma in IT Polytechnic in 2010. After that, started business. Okay, web designing, is it? Okay, very good. So I will answer this question, Yashodhan. So Ore Solutions in India, I have shut down my company 27 because of some personal issues. Okay, no problem, sweet designer. Now I'm doing my job. Okay, so definitely you are the right candidate get into IT industry. So Yashodhan, I will be able to help you. No worries about it. Okay, so I will take your questions. So before that, now if you wanted to get into data analytics side, first is that So what is that you have to get into? So let me tell you, IT industry, if you know what is I, so many people will tell me, what is I? I means you know already information, right? IT industry means I. So I completely stands for information, right? So information, if you wanted to get it, if you wanted to get the information, so what is that you need to provide? You have to provide data. Remember that. If you wanted to work with IT industry, remember IT industry means information technology. But the first thing is that how do you get the information? So to get the data, you need to provide the data. So if you wanted to get the data or if you wanted to provide the data, IT industry has to deal with the data, right? If you wanted to deal with the data, there is a technology called SQL. It is also called as RDBMS technology, Relational Database Management System. Clear? IT industry cannot work without data, I'm telling you. So IT industry, raw material for the IT industry is a data, data, data. So any data you can give. You can give personal data, commercial data, sales data, marketing data, so travel data. So whatever be the data that you have, social media data, whatever be the data that company has, the data is going to be taken from the IT industry and they process the data. Clear? So one thing is that any industry, clear? Any business domain we're talking about, it has the data. You know, the data will be given to the IT industry. We are going to be taking the data and IT industry will be processing the data. Only two things IT industry is going to be doing. One is called storing data. The second one is called IT industry is processing the data. So I will tell you, for example, I have 10 and 20. What are these? These are some data. So 10 is some 10 billion sales in the last year and current year sales is $20 billion. This is somehow I want to store somewhere. Currently, I am storing in a notepad, right? I wanted to know what is the total. Total is a process. I wanted to know the total is a processing. So when you perform a summing operation, that is what is called a processing. You wanted to know what is the average. That is a processing. You wanted to know how many years, sales this is 2 years count, or you wanted to perform a max, or you wanted to find out min, or you wanted to do lot of stats operations on this. All these are called data processing. Am I clear? So IT industry is dealing with the information. Information technology means you have to give the data to the IT industry. IT industry is going to be storing the data. So IT industry is going to be storing the data with the help of a technology is called what technology? SQL, structured query language, or it is also called as RDBMS. Clear? So if you wanted to work with business intelligence or data analytics, clear? If you wanted to work with data analytics, it is also called as a business intelligence. Clear? So I will talk about all of them later. So you have to know about data first. Clear? Without data, you will not be able to understand anything. If you wanted to understand what is a data, how IT industry is going to be storing the data, that is where you are going to be learning what is called as SQL, or it is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management system. This you have to know in depth of knowledge. Am I clear? Without SQL knowledge, you will not be able to learn data analytics, or it is also called as a business intelligence. Am I clear? And one more terminology that you are able to see today, data science. Data science is also called as a artificial intelligence, or it is also called as a machine learning. Am I clear? So all these people, data analytics and data science, both of them needs data. But now the question is that what do you mean by data analytics? What is the meaning by data science? I will tell you. Then I will talk about different things. Clear? So you have to know, if you wanted to work with what is data analytics and if you want to work with data science, first you have to know data. Clear? How IT industry is storing the data means IT industry is going to store the data with the help of a technology called SQL, structured query language, or it is also called as a database management system, or it is also called as a relational database management system. But what is a data analytics? Data analytics means understanding past. Understanding the past is called data analytics. Clear? Or people will say reporting the past. Okay. Reporting the past is called as a data analytics or data or business intelligence. Am I clear? So data science means what? Data science means planning for the future, or you can say future predictions. Okay, so I wanted to do some predictions. That is where we are going to be talking about data science, or it is also called as a artificial intelligence or machine learning. Am I clear? So data science guys needs a data analytics guys needs a data. So this is what is important. Both of them are not equal. So if you wanted to learn data analytics, first is that you have to know SQL. Clear? Then you have to know something about SQL is known as a database management system, right? You have to know something about ETL. Clear? So extracting the data, transforming the data, ETL you have to know. You have to know about data warehousing concepts. You have to know about SSAS cubing and processing. Clear? And you have to know what is called as reporting. Clear? So reporting means I'm talking about a Power BI or any reporting tool. So if you wanted to deal with data analytics, it is not only a single Power BI tool. Power BI means PBI. So without learning all of them, if you simply take a Power BI course, it will be useless. Clear? So business intelligence or data analytics is going to be understanding the past. For example, Amazon company wanted to know what was my last 5 years Christmas sales in India. It was last 5 years, but Amazon wanted to know what would be my sales in after 5 years. What would be means is talking about predictions. Clear? So if in India the obesity rate for last 10 years is this much, but it is every average obesity rate is increasing. So every annum, let us say 2%. If that is the case, and how many people are going to be dying in next 10 years because of heart attacks, because of the obesity rate is getting increased. I wanted to predict how many people may get diabetics, how many people get a lot of diseases because of obesity rate is increasing by 3% more in India. Clear? If you wanted to predict something, if you wanted to predict something, that is where we need to supply the data. To whom? We have to supply the data to the data science applications. Am I clear? So data science or data analytics, these two applications are going to be getting the data from the IT industry. So data can be anywhere, need not be in SQL, but SQL where you have the data more secure, more safe, more clean, more neat data will be available. So you need to understand how we are going to be storing the data and how we are going to be performing data analytics and data science. Clear? Data analytics means any non-IT people can get into IT with the help of these technologies. To learn these technologies, you need minimum 3 months of time, 3 months to 3.5 months of time. So this is what is the time duration that you wanted to have it. So any non-IT people can come into this. If you wanted to understand business intelligence or data analytics, what is that you have to learn? So these are the things that you need to learn, guys. So what are the things? So many people come and tell me, sir, I have learned Power BI. Will I get a job? 100% you don't get a job. Clear? Sir, if I wanted to be into data analytics, it is also called as what? Business intelligence. You have to know SQL very well. If you say that, sir, I know only basics of SQL, I have studied in my BTech, My friend told me that he's going to teach. I have downloaded some YouTube videos. With that, you will not be able to understand. Definite complete in-depth of SQL Server is included. We are going to be covering 45 days of SQL Server. So daily 1 hour class and 45 days of SQL Server will be covered. So that is very, very important. Clear? And apart from that, you are going to be having what is called as a Power BI. So Power BI is a reporting tool. So this is also we are going to be covering for how many days? 45 days. Clear? 45 days means approximately 1.5 month. Clear? Sir, if I learn only SQLs and Power BI, is it enough? The answer is no, it is not sufficient. The next one we are going to be giving you a data warehousing. Clear? The next one we're going to be giving you a data warehousing. This is a 7-day module, 7-day course it is. The next one you have to know, one is called ETL. That is also very, very important. This is where we are going to be covering SSIS. Clear? So these are the modules that you're going to be covering and you are going to be learning all of them. So it will take a minimum of 3 months time. Clear? Complete data analytics course means learning ETL and learning SQL, learning Power BI, learning data warehouse. ETL will take minimum of 1 month. Okay, ETL will take minimum of 1 month. So this is what we are going to be teaching. Am I clear? So many other institutions are only when you go in for data analytics or Power BI, they will teach you one course and they say that we will give you a 5 days classes, only 3 days classes, or weekend you will have a SQL, and they'll say that that is sufficient. 100% it is not sufficient. So these are the modules that we are going to be covering. Now, SQL, we don't have any live classes, but then how do you learn? So no live classes for SQL. So you have to buy the videos from us and you have to practice daily one video and you have to practice 45 videos. And if you have any question, next day in the Power BI class, you will be able to ask me SQL doubts also. Clear? So we don't have any live classes for SQL. And if you don't learn SQL Server properly, then you will get properly cheated. That is for sure. Clear? So you need not learn Power BI because nothing is there in Power BI. Anybody can learn Power BI. The difficult part is only SQL because as I told you, IT industry needs data. How do you store the data? How do you process the data? Everything will be clearly explained in SQL. So you have to buy these videos separately and you have to learn daily one video without fail and write the notes. SQL is available in 2 languages. You can buy Telugu videos or you can also buy English videos. Am I clear? So whatever be the video that you wanted to buy, that you can buy, that you need to practice from day one onwards. Clear? So Power BI live classes are going to be there after the demos. Today, demo number 1, and tomorrow we don't have any class because of Sunday. Monday, same time with the same meeting ID, we have demo number 2, and Tuesday also we have demo number 3. Once the demos are got over, you will be able to get the discounted fee details and if you fill the form. Clear? If you don't fill the form means you will not be able to get the discounted price. Make sure that you have filled the form. I have shown you the form, right? If you're not able to fill the form, whatever be the reason, you send me a mail, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. You will be able to easily get into the details and everything. Clear? So compulsorily you have to know this one and this one. So SQL and Power BI we need to concentrate first 45 days. 45 days means it is a 2 months. So October month and November month, October month plus November month, we are going to be only focusing on these 2 modules. You have to make the amounts only for these 2 modules, SQL and Power BI. So that is what. So data warehousing will be free for you. Data warehousing will be free for you. And SSIS you need to learn. This is not now. After 2 months, October, November, you have completed this. So this one you have to plan in the month of December only. So You have to make the payment for the ETL, SSIS. What is SSIS? What is data warehousing? Everything I will be discussing in the Monday's class. Clear? Because lot of non-technical things I'm talking about today. So you have to know what is SSIS, what is MSBI, what is the Power BI, lot of things. What is the data warehousing? Everything you will be able to learn. So Monday and Tuesday. So tomorrow we don't have any class. Don't worry about it. So this ETL, it will be for 1 month course, and you will be able to make the amount not now. It will be in the month of December only. Clear? So that is what you need to plan. These four are courses are very, very important, and this is what you need to plan, guys. So data analytics or business intelligence, not only Power BI, because 60% of the interview questions are going to come from SQL. I'm telling you. You ask any experienced guy, they will tell you, because I worked for the IT industry more than 20 years. I know how the jobs will be. I know how the industry will be. 60% of the time you are going to be dealing with SQL. Remaining 40% Power BI, data warehousing, SSIS, and many people are also talking about Azure, because in SSIS and we have same one more product called Azure Data Factory, which is equivalent to SSIS, which is a cloud based. What is the cloud and everything? I will teach you. So SSIS or Azure, you will be able to plan, because this is a cloud-based technology. Nowadays, many people are also planning for a cloud. So you can plan for Azure or you can plan for SSIS. So these are the complete modules that you need to plan. But when you go in for interviews, 60% of the interview questions are going to come from SQL, remaining 40% from Power BI, data warehousing, and SSIS and ETL. And a few companies started asking ADF. If they need, then we can plan for ADF. ADF is also 1 month course, otherwise it is not needed. So these are the things that you need to plan. Learning all these are not very complex, I'm telling you. So first, what you have to learn. So October month and November month, you have to plan compulsorily SQL Server. SQL Server, we don't have live classes, so no live classes. You have to buy videos only. Clear? You cannot say that I know basics. If you know basics, that is not at all sufficient. Then you can enroll for the Power BI. Power BI and DAX will be covered. Live classes daily will be there. Daily, 1 hour class will be there. So these are Monday to Friday. We are going to be having Monday to Friday. We are going to be having classes. And if you join in the morning time, evening time, you need to watch these videos. How many videos you will be able to get? Minimum 45 days videos you're going to be getting. Each video will be for 1 hour. Clear? So SQL Server is very, very important. It has two modules, SQL, and the advanced module is called TSQL. Okay, there are two things that you need to plan. One is called, this is the basic. This is what is called advanced, you have to know. So you need to start learning in this. You have approximately some 30 videos are available, 30 hours classes are available, remaining some 45 hours, remaining some 15 hours classes are available. So this is a basic and this is advanced that you have to learn. So morning you need to attend this, and evening you need to play one video and watch. So every video will be of 1 hour. Sir, so how do I watch 1 hour video? I may feel sleepy. So what you do, you have to watch only 15 minutes. And if you are not feeling good or feeling sleepy, then a break. So after some time, you watch again 15 minutes video, take the notes. Again, you watch 15 minutes video, take the notes. If you're not good, and tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening, you complete remaining 15 minutes of video. Like that, you have to plan 15 minutes of videos like that. These are available in Telugu as well as in English. You can buy whatever you wanted to buy, that is fine. So even though the explanation is in Telugu, but completely notes will be there in English. So you should not be worried about, if I buy a Telugu video, how do I tell the interview? Means nothing to worry. Clear? But you have to plan for SQL Server in depth, not weekend training or 5 days of training. It is not going to work. And if you're learning like that, you will be the loser. Clear? So Power BI, we are going to be covering Power BI with the DAX for live classes Monday to Friday. This will be for 45 classes. Clear? So October, November, you need to plan only this course and Power BI course. And Power BI videos also available in Telugu and live classes will be there in English. Clear? If you wanted to, you can attend English class, but if you wanted to have Telugu videos, you can ask. We will be able to give you Telugu videos and you will be able to watch them. Clear? Even the explanation in Telugu, complete notes is there in English. Ardhamautunda leda? So you can buy whatever you wanted to have it. So this is what you need to plan only in October and November month. You have to make the payments for SQL Server and you need to make the payments for what? Power BI. So not now. So demo 2, I will be explaining what is SQL Server, what is the DAX, everything I'll be explaining. Clear? So demo number 2 will be on Monday with the same meeting ID, same time. So in the month of December 2022, so what is that you're going to be learning? You're going to be learning there are ETL tools. Okay, you can plan for one ETL tool. Either you can plan for SSIS or you can plan for Azure Data Factory, and this will be for the 1 month course. If we have a live class, you can join the live class. If the live classes are not there, you can buy videos. You can buy videos and practice them. Afterwards, I will be giving completely CV preparation, and one project is included in this, which is for free, and you will be able to get data warehousing also will be for 7 days, and this will be free. Okay, this will be for a free. So this is not going to be taking, and these are, you have to paid course. It is a paid course. You need to make the payment, but not now. It is month of December. Am I clear? So CV preparation, everything is free. One project is included. Lot of assignments are included. 3 to 4 assignments of SQL and ADF, everything is included. And if you need one more project, so one more project that is there, so this will be the paid project. This will be the paid project. So if you wanted to have that, you can also take it. Is going to be covering all these modules. So the projects are going to be covering all the modules. You can also keep these projects in your CV. Clear? You can keep minimum 3 to 5, 10, 6 years of experience also, no problem. You will be able to crack, because I'm going to be covering from very, very basic level to architect level. Okay, many architects also going to attend my classes. They're having 10 years of IT industry experience, because they would have worked as a developer, but not into the designing and architecting side. So I'm going to be covering completely very, very basic level to advanced level of training. So you should not be worried about it, but you need to follow my mentoring, my guidance. Okay, but if you told me, sir, my friend told me not to learn this, my friend told me not to do this, my friend told me he will teach me, my brother told me he will teach me. If you follow them, then definitely there is an issue. So you need to have proper mentor, proper guru till you get the placement. Clear? CV preparation, I'll be taking care. You will get the sample CVs. You have to take the sample CVs and how to prepare CV, how many years of experience you need to put, and what are the projects you need to put, how to explain the project, everything I'm going to be covering. I'm going to be giving all the interview questions. Everything will be given for free. Clear? So interview questions are free, and interview preparation, everything I'm going to be doing for free. Clear? If you need extra project, this is a paid project. Otherwise, all these are included in your, this module for free. Clear? So you should not be worried about, sir, I have 10 years of a gap. Sir, I have, 5 years of this one. I have a PF account, I don't have a PF account. Sir, I have done my, I have done my business, or I have done my BTech in the open university. Sir, I'm diploma candidate. So don't worry about all these things. Anybody can come into IT industry, guys, nowadays, because IT industry needs more and more skilled people. Many people have the certificates. You are not able to get into IT industry because you don't have the proper skill, right? So proper skill and proper mentoring is important. You will be able to easily get into IT industry. Clear? So Now I will show you in Naukri.com. So how many jobs are available for for Power BI developers? Let me go Naukri.com. Many people will tell me, sir, do we have jobs in this one? Or what are the technologies we need to learn, sir? I don't know. My friend told me not to learn this. My brother told me not to learn this. So people will say like that. So let us simply go to jobs and I'll say simply Power BI. Power BI means data analytics, right? Power BI jobs, and I give some 3 to 4 years, whatever you would like to give, or you can give for your city. Clear? Power BI jobs and Hyderabad, Secunderabad. Click on search. So now tell me, what are the things companies are asking? Let me show you. Now, what is experience they're asking also, I will tell you. Microsoft Accenture is asking. So 3 days before only they have added. Now they're talking about Oracle. Oracle is nothing but a SQL, right? They're also talking about Teradata. Teradata is data warehousing. Clear? And Excel and Pivot, blah blah blah. These guys are asking. This is Power BI application developer. Let me come down. Okay, how many jobs are there? How many jobs are there? Total 3,463 jobs are available. Where? Only in Hyderabad. Okay, only in Hyderabad, how many jobs are there? 3,000, 463. This is got added 3 days ago. You can see when is this got added 3 days ago. So it is again Accenture. So data management, RDBMS, data modeling, RDBMS, SQL, Tableau, Power BI. So Tableau means it is a just like a Power BI, one more Tableau. So these are the skills these guys are looking. So nobody will tell you that I need only single skill. That is not at all happen. So Microsoft Power BI developer. Now see what is that they're asking? They're asking Power BI, Microsoft IT skills, business process, and again Accenture company 4 to 6 years of 2 days ago they have uploaded this. Clear? Microsoft Power BI, so consulting, scheduling, Microsoft SQL, Power BI, SQL everywhere they're asking. Everywhere they're asking if you understand carefully. Clear? SQL, business process, Power BI, HDFS. So HDFS means this is one more tool, big data tool. So that is not required. So Power BI, MSBI stack means, MSBI means I'm talking about what? I'm talking about SSIS. As MSBI means three tools. We will talk about in day after tomorrow. SSIS and SSAS and SSRS. These three tools are called as MSBI. And prior to Micro Power BI, we have MSBI. After this only we got Power BI. PBI is released in year 2015 by Microsoft, and MSBI is released year 2005 by Microsoft. Clear? Both of them are the BI tools. SSIS and SSAS and SSRS. These three are called as MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. I will talk about what is MSBI, what is Power BI, what is SSIS, what is SSAS, what is SSRS on the Monday's class. Okay. So people are asking about all these things. Data warehousing, SSIS. Have you seen this? Now people are asking about DAX, ETL. ETL means what? SSIS. And the company name is called Enkiro 2 days ago. Clear? Power BI developer. What are they asking? ETL, SS SQL, SSMS means SQL, DAX, Power BI, analysis. All these are we are going to be covering. It is Eligibility Services India Private Limited. 3 to 5 years, it is 3 days ago. DAX, SSRS written, blah blah blah, SQL databases. So they're asking, see, Azure, SSIS and SSAS, but Power BI developer. Clear? If you understand carefully, data analytics is not a single software, single course. Data analytics or Power BI is not a single course, it is a collection of courses. Clear? So you have to learn completely from very, very basic level to advanced level. And this is the form you need to fill. That is what I have given already. If you don't get the form, whatever be the reason in the chat window, you write me email bhaskarjogi@gmail.com, or you can call these numbers. They will be able to give you the form. You have to fill the form so that you will be able to get the discounted fee. Clear, guys? The form has only your email address, your phone number, and your full name, nothing else. Clear. Apart from that, we are also having a consultancy, right? So the fresher job opportunities are available, and if you have any freshers in your team or in your relatives or in your family, you can tell them that these openings are currently live. So ask them to send the CVs to this guy. You can WhatsApp all the fresher CV to 93981 18506, though, so that they will be able to push them to the this one. Clear? Only for the freshers, only within India. So for the fresher jobs. So what are the other coachings we are going to be giving? Power BI, MSBA, AWS, so DevOps, Salesforce, Selenium testing, Azure. If you need any kind of a job support or any kind of a help, you can reach Mr. Madhav 93981 18506. He is the operations or the placements head in Go Online Trainings. Clear? So who can learn data analytics course? Any non-IT people, any year passed out, anyone can learn this. Hard skill to get into IT, has high salaries paid, no coding required, 45 hours daily 1 hour class Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I never take any classes. Today, because of the demo, I'm conducting the class. Otherwise, I don't take any classes on Saturday and Sunday. And I don't take any public holidays, for example, Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Ramzan. I don't take any classes. You should not be worried about. Daily recorded videos are going to be given to you. Daily videos, I'm going to be giving it to you. Clear? For example, sir, I am not well. I am not able to connect it today. Don't worry. Take the video and watch it in the evening. Clear? Real-time topics are going to be discussed, are going to be covered, and sample CVs are shared. CV preparation guidance is given. Online lab support will be given. Interview questions are discussed. Placement assistance and support across India will be given. We are not charging not even single rupee for anything. We are not going to charge any single rupee for anything. So everything is free, free, free. So everything I'm going to be taking care. Completely skill I'm going to be giving. CV preparation, one project is included. Data warehousing is free. So you should not be worried about anything. But only thing is that do you have time or not? 3 months time minimum you need to have, guys. And who can learn this? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed outs, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance, BA, BCom, BSc, MPharmacy, MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, Diploma, MBA, BTech, all branches, 10 years of gap, education gaps, whatever you have, all people can come into data analytics with the help of all these technologies. If you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job, I'm telling you. Clear? And if you don't learn from basic to advanced level, you don't get a job, I'm telling you. You don't tell me that, sir, my friend will teach me something, so I'm going to be learning from there. Then you don't ask me if you don't get a job after the training. Clear? So SQL Server 45 days, Power BI with DAX 45 days, MSB I'm going to be covering SSIS or Azure for 25 days, and these are the modules, and you are going to be planning for this, and later you will be able to plan for remaining modules. Clear? So that is what. So minimum salary package, if you put 3 to 4 years, 10 to 12 lakhs per annum, minimum 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh, you will be able to crack. So lot of people who is getting 2 to 3 offer letters. One guy got a job offer last month. 2015 mechanical BTech passed out. That guy was into sales. Now that guy got 2 offer letters. One is with 12.5 lakhs of salary package. I have recorded his video in my class, and I've uploaded in my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel, Bhaskar Jogi. You can just subscribe it. You will be able to get latest interview questions. Everything will be there. Just subscribe the channel and you will be able to find out this guy's interview. So he got 2 actually. One is with 12.5 and he joined that company. Next day he got one more offer with 14 lakhs. And he said, sir, I have already joined in the previous company. And then he denied the second company. The second company said, we will give you 16 lakhs. You join. Then he said, no, sir, I cannot. Then the company said, we will give you 18 lakhs. Since you have joined just 1 week before only, you resign and come back, we will give you 18 lakhs. This guy got 18 lakhs of salary package, right? So people are able to crack very, very easily. Now you may get a lot of fear, but only 5 rounds of interviews you need to fail. If you fail in the 5 rounds of interview, you will be able to easily get into the IT industry because you don't have any other difficulty. Now you tell me, can we crack IAS interviews? Can we crack RRB aptitudes? Can we crack any other border security force interviews or banking exams? It is impossible, very difficult. But you can easily crack 2 interviews. So definitely IAS, IPS, and RRB banking, these are more complex than these interviews. So many people will tell me, sir, it is very complex to attend the interview. I will say this is not very complex. The other interviews are more complex, more aptitude, more interviews. It is very complex, right? If you don't get a job elsewhere, you can easily get the job in IT industry. Remember, if you have a proper mentor and if you have a proper skills with you, otherwise getting here also very difficult for you. If you think that I will learn everything in 1 month, I will take a broker and he will give me the job in the back door, so that cannot happen. So I don't recommend those kind of a things. So guys, that is for sure. So October, November, we're planning for this, and December we're planning for this, and everything will get covered in this. This is the complete duration, guys. Clear? So October, November. So all of them you need to know, not a single course, right? So that is what is data analytics means or a business intelligence means. Tomorrow holiday, guys. Monday with the same meeting ID, I'm going to be, taking complete the technical things. What is data? What is SQL? What is business intelligence? What is data warehousing? What is data analytics? Okay, all these things. What is data science, machine learning? Everything I will be talking about from Monday and Tuesday. Same time, same meeting ID, guys. And the payments and everything you can do after the third demo. So don't ask me all those things here because I am not the right candidate and everything. And so placements and support after the course, you can get in touch with these numbers. And okay, so this is what is the demo number one. I did not speak about any technical things. Clear? I simply spoken about what is that you need to concentrate and what is that you need to learn. And in Monday and Tuesday, we are going to be concentrating completely technical things. Clear? Thank you, guys. So this form everybody has to fill, guys. Clear? So this form everybody has to fill. If you need any kind of other information, you will be able to touch base with these team members, and these are the phone numbers. You can take this slide and take a snap, and you can just call them. And if you don't get a proper answer, I am there. I am there. And if you wanted to talk to me personally, you can also give me your phone number in the email. I will call you after 11 o'clock or after this demo. I will call you back if you want me to talk to you personally. Am I clear? So don't worry about it. Many people will not get job. It is not because of they have a 10 years of gap. It is not because of they have BCom graduate. Only because they don't have proper guidance. They don't have proper mentor. They don't have a proper skills. These are the reasons why many people are not able to get into IT industry. I'm telling you, because of automation, lot of other industry will get automated because of artificial intelligence, machine learning. Lot of sales are getting automated, lot of marketing fields are getting automated, lot of BPO industry getting automated, recruitment industry getting automated. Very soon you lose the job because of automation. You better come into IT industry now. You can learn and get into IT industry with the minimum of fees and everything, guys. When you compare our fees with other fees, and you will come to know. One guy last month he spoke to me. His name is Mandar, and he joined Manipal data analytics for the 2.5 lakhs he paid, and he was only given videos and one mentor. The mentor is from IIT. Mentor is from IIT. He was mentoring. The mentor told him that, hey Mandar, if you learn with videos, you will not be able to get into this one. You don't get any knowledge. You better join in Bhaskar Jogi sir class. That is what the Manipal data analytics guy told me. He's from Maharashtra. And he also told me, sir, the one IIT mentor told me that I should join in your institution. I have learned a lot of things here, sir, but even though I paid 2.5 lakhs in Manipal University for the same course, I did not get anything. So I'm so happy, sir. Now I can easily crack the interview. Now, many IIT people, many IIT mentors are, referring us. So we are charging very less. So 2.5 lakhs, we are charging, not even 10% of that. Clear? So upgrade institution. One of my friend's wife, she is doing medical representative or something. She wanted to get into IT industry. She got a course in upgrade. 70,000 rupees she paid. 69,000 rupees plus amount he paid, and we are not charging that much. And she told me that your videos are far more, your classes are far more superior, and anybody can understand. We are not charging that much. We are charging very little when you compare. Clear? One girl from Canada, she paid almost 20 to 30 lakhs in Canada to get into data analytics in one business school in Canada. And after that, she joined and she called me and said, "Sir, I got an opportunity because I have joined your class as well. Because of the reason I got the job. Other people who have joined only business school in Canada, they paid 20, 30 lakhs in Canada, but they did not get the opportunity because they do not have the proper guidance." This is the feedback, not to tell about me, because of the situations. So all these are, people told me what I have heard, the same thing I'm telling you. Clear, guys? So definitely you will be able to get a lot of things, and from very basic level, non-IT people can easily enjoy. So IT people anyhow they'll enjoy, non-IT people also can enjoy very basic level to advanced level. So don't worry about I'm completely sales guy, housewife, how do I learn? It will be very difficult. You never think like that. I'll make it very enjoyable, very reasonable prices. You are going to be cracking the interview. You give me the time, so I will make you a hero in the IT industry. So starting point is not so important for anybody, right? Always I say ending point is important. Starting point could be anything. You could be a housewife, you could be a sales guy, you could be a teacher, you could be a diploma guy doing some technical work. So that is not important, right? So if you train your brain can do wonderful things. Only thing is that we need good trainers, good faculties, good gurus, and good time you need to give. So not 1 month. I need to learn everything in 20 days because I don't have time. If you say like that, nothing can happen. You have to give the time. You have to give the good, this one, because so many people, have many skills, but if they don't have the proper gurus, even though they have very good intelligent people are getting 20, 30,000 rupees, because you have to have time, and you need to have gurus. If you have a guru behind your scenes, you can also do wonderful things, right? If you have a Rajamouli, you will get very good, movies. You will get it. But if you don't have a good Rajamouli, even though you're a good hero, but what is that you will get it? Nothing. Clear? End of the day, people think that my son is very intelligent, my daughter is very intelligent. I say your son need not be intelligent, but a son should have a proper mentor like Rajamouli. Your son or daughter should have a proper mentor so that your son or your daughter also can go into any field, proper mentoring. I came from very small family, and which Telugu medium, but I got very good mentor. His name is called Srinivasan Ranganathan. He is a ISB professor currently in Hyderabad. He was IIT from Madras and IIM from Bangalore, and ex vice president of Citibank, and ex vice president of Wipro Bangalore. So we got those people help, those people guidance. Because of that, we are able to do wonderful things in our life. Because I also came from very small, village background. But today I'm able to help you. I'm able to get into good IT companies. I worked with Accenture. I worked with Microsoft. I worked with Unilever. Very good IT companies. I was into. How come? Because we got very good mentors. So if you don't have the proper good mentors, the mentor could be your mother, father, your friend, your cousin. It could be anybody, your guru, your teacher, somebody. But without a proper mentoring, you will not be able to reach your destiny. It is not your intelligence. Everybody will have intelligence. So don't tell me that my son is very intelligent, but is not able to go anywhere. The problem not within your son. He does not look for the proper mentor. That is where the issue starts. Chalo, okay? We'll talk about lot of other things, guys, on Monday's class. So definitely proper mentoring, proper guidance, proper skill will take you to next level, guys. All the best. We will meet on Monday. Thank you. With the same meeting ID, same time. Chalo. So any other questions? All the questions I'm going to be taking now. I will give enough time, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.